After a long day of work, I want to play Slay the Spire 2 with my friends. Or, in today's case, just one. We recently both played the Necrobinder in multiplayer and had a lot of fun.
So this is 390 additional Doom. And then this is 1 damage, which is fine.
So, we wanted to try out duo combos elsewhere and see what worked. Today, it's duo silent. He builds shivs, I do whatever the heck I'm doing, and it's so much fun. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go.
Where we going with this? I wouldn't mind playing a silent run.
You want to do a double silent run?
Let's double the silent.
Double the runs. Okay, no.
If you double the lack...
I'm a sucker for multiplayer cards. I have to.
They're fun.
Gang up. You know I'm taking the gang up.
That's when it's like scales up every time I attack, right?
Every time you attack, it does more damage. I'm doing 20 right now. Do you have more?
If I do 1, can you kill him?
Yes.
Great.
Nice. I've got gang up again.
Great. That's all I have.
Okay.
Nice. Alright, backflip it is. Shivs.
Shivs for thee, noxious fumes for me. Yeah, just block. Just block him.
The sicko's gonna eat his friend in a minute anyway.
True. Yeah. Oh, he was the sicko.
He was so sick. Cloak and dagger, cloak and dagger.
Gonna get backflip. Now we're both backflipping. Oh, another one?
Oh,
Really?
the miniature tent.
Oh,
No.
wait. Why didn't I register that we were... Okay. Never mind.
It's all good. Dead
Well,
room.
It was a waste. Dead.
It was.
Dead room. But I guess
I
it's
know
the
that
only way to-
shop we randomly got threw off our our initial plan here.
Yeah, that's true. We had a good plan. And then it became a
Yeah,
mid
it was,
plan.
and then it went down a tier. But that's the fun thing about plans is that we can increase it on the way.
Yeah. I love increasing plans.
We're not gonna take this shop because that would be another dead.
That would be a lot of shops in a row. I can't take the Justin.
cheese!
I can't take it, Justin. Justin, look at where we're about to fight an elite.
I have faith, and you do
can't
not.
win this fight.
It's already won. Where's this doubt
Justin,
coming from?
Justin.
I have a cloak and dagger and a blade dance and a dream. I also have an intangible potion and an orbic acid potion. So
I
we're
swear,
okay.
if we face those 4 guys, okay, we can maybe do
easy.
this. We can maybe do this.
It's already done. You're just not in my timeline yet.
It is preordained.
I see it, man. I have the Dune spice vision.
Oh,
I can see 1,000 years.
he's the Lisan
ahead.
al Gaib. Hang on.
You have gang up?
I said hang on, but yes, I do.
Oh, okay. I thought I heard gang up. Oh, perfect. Because I'm gonna play my shivs, and then let me backflip see if I draw into another one. Nope. Okay, that's all I got.
Okay. Well,
Hey, we hit his
we
number.
did
Hit
max
his block
damage.
number. Yep.
Good enough, Gary. Oh no. All I have are attacks. Oh no, I'm taking a full 12.
Be strong.
He'll be strong.
Be
for
brave.
you. I'll be strong.
Dang, he's 3 away from dying this turn because of his stupid mechanic. Okay.
Nair.
He did. See, man, that wasn't so bad.
It sure wasn't.
Ooh, Strangle is excellent with my shivs.
And I want a master plan.
Both are
I think you currently need it more.
currently need the pillow.
However,
Do
you
you like
do
the pillow
heal
better
a lot
long term?
because you're gonna have the chosen cheese.
Okay, I suppose if we consider gaining max health healing, which it kind
Well,
of is.
you
yeah.
will heal more at
It
rest sites
heals
too.
you 1. I'll take. I mean, if I could go. For
I'll take the
pillow
old coin. You're gonna heal for a lot, but I do
Okay.
expect you to take more hits than me.
Well, what if I get really good at not doing that, and then
Yeah.
you just take hits?
Well, then I'm gonna be real salty.
Yeah, this guy's just a little baby.
He's just a baby. He's just a baby.
Like, if I had to fight any of the creatures in Slay the Spire 2, I feel like this might be the one I pick.
You could take him on. He's got a carapace,
Well,
man.
He does. He's tanky. He's tanky. But what he's not is a sentient rat that's like bipedal.
Nice.
Ooh, yeah, I'll take a calculated gamble.
Ooh, gamba.
No. We don't endorse gambling, but we do endorse calculated gambles.
Oh, okay. As long as it's calculated, right?
Yeah. That's essentially what Wall Street stocks does, right? Stock traders and all that.
Basically. Okay, so we can gain 6 max HP. Ooh.
Steady's always good.
Steady's nice. Or we could put Steady on 2. Bro.
Well, you can. I don't have the money.
I've got 498 gold.
Someone's
Steady.
rich.
I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams.
I could dream more than that.
Oh, you know what I could do? I could do gang up.
Ah, yeah, good timing.
I'm a smart dude, Justin. Can't stop me.
No, your brain's too big.
That's right. Have you seen the size of my head? Okay.
The kids in my school tell me I have a 10 head. So
Oh
I get it.
no, that's so me.
It's not nice. Oh, and we get Phantom Blades? Come on now. It's already GG.
Phantom. Yo,
I think we can take this Elite too, dog, if you're up for it.
You ready for a
You
snake
took Snake
bite?
Bite?
I took snake bite. Did it for you. I know.
I was just watching the PC Gamer interview with the developer of, say, the Spire, and they asked him about the whole snake bite meme thing. And he's like, I'll say that I think it's fine. But he's like, sure, if you take it as surface value, it sucks. But he's like, there's ways to synergize with it and utilize it. And I was like, I don't know, Casey. I feel like it kind of sucks. I have a neutralize. That'd be good. Okay. Then I can upgrade his shiv the front.
Perfect.
7's the difference. I can do. Oop. Did I misclick that? No. Thank God.
They done. That was so easy, bro. I got Tingsha.
Hey, I like Tincture.
I like
Get a build for it.
Tingsha.
I got a oddly smooth stone. Very good.
It's so odd how smooth that stone is.
Do you think tracking weak enemies take double damage from attacks or dash? 10 block, 10 damage.
Dash is good early, but it falls off.
Falls off with that energy block.
The
on
tracking could be a good scaling option for you, for sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be a way to make my shiv scale, which is hard to do.
Yeah, it's gonna do 26. It's gonna do 26 on that first shift, which is a good one punch. Though.
Yeah, dude.
I think I'm gonna use this opportunity to make master plan cost less.
Sounds good.
I thought so. Master
I
plan
got
in play.
almost all my power cards on turn 1, so that felt pretty good.
Hot diggity dog. Okay.
I have a neutralize.
I've got the elephant.
Look, Mr. Frodo, it's an Oliphant.
It is kind of what he is, huh? Okay. We're gonna play this guy. I've got gang up.
That's all I did, like 4 attacks or 3 attacks. Yeah, I did. 20. I have strangle.
Strangle that man.
Oh man, do you watch Invincible?
I do not.
I don't even say that because strangling was a part of the last episode.
Oh no.
So,
you know your memes.
that first damage I took.
Okay. I have it this turn.
Julio. Let me calculate a gamble here. Yep, okay, that's a lot better. Alright, there you go.
Nice. Really good.
We're close.
Okay.
Might even get it before turn 10.
Potentially.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He did. 36.
But we can weaken them. So now it's 22. Oh, and you have that. Very good.
And we've got that. Useful laddie.
Good job.
You took like no damage. What the heck?
Yeah, not much.
What the heck's that about? Okay, I can take tracking, knife, trap, or serpent form. I think I need to skip, bro.
I wish I had your card rewards. Dang.
I know.
I got Shadow Step, discard your hand, then next turn double damage, Abrasive, 1 Dex, 4 Thorns, and then Tools of the Trade. Start your turn, draw 1, discard 1. Which would proc your Tincture.
I mean, what do you think about the discard your hand?
Yeah, for the Shadow Step, and then on
tracking.
On top of tracking, yeah, that's really good.
You're gonna be quadrupling your damage.
Demolish.
I'm skipping.
The number goes up, chat. It goes up.
Ooh, I can... Okay, Imbued. This card is played automatically at the start of each combat.
I got the Archaic Tooth, which is changing Neutralize to Suppress.
Nice.
Innate, 3 weak, 11 damage, which plays into the build. That or I get a reroll card rewards. Or I get to see 15 cards from the defect and add those, but I don't like that.
Oh no, I misunderstood.
What was it?
I didn't realize it had to be a skill or yeah, just a skill. That is a big bummer. Well, I'm gonna make it Piercing Wail.
Innate and plays on the first turn.
I'm such a fool. Why don't I ever just read the description start to finish? Why am I so lazy? My brain is like, I'm not reading that.
I didn't say way, and it bites me in the butt.
I don't want my butt to get bit.
It just was. Let me know if you need some ointment. As the Lord intended.
I thought that was me.
Oh, you good.
You see, now that's gonna help us out a ton.
It is. It really is. And then I can strangle the front one.
Violently.
I mean, you're not wrong.
You already have 22 card 10 more than me. 10 more HP.
Feels nice. You should have eaten that cheese.
I should have eaten the cheese, man. I learned my lesson.
The cheese sustains us, nourishes us. That's hard to say. It nourishes us.
Good job.
Thank you. I had speech therapy as a child. I guess this is a full block Shadow Step. Yep.
This is a full block Shadow Step. You cannot hurt me, sir.
How am I breaking the... I gotta get draw power, I guess. I'm just gonna go all out. I have no block.
We're going all out today.
God.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. My man. Coming through. When you gain gold, raise your max HP by 1.
What? What is that? Where I look?
Dragon fruit.
Oh.
Like a dragon.
I got Mirage, which is game block equal to the poison on all enemies. Not bad. But I hate that it exhausts. It's like a one-time shield.
Kind of stinky.
It needs retain, right? Because you want to sync that up. You want to time it to like a good
snake
poison
bite.
number.
Okay, I'll stop.
Yeah, just like, no, please go.
No more.
The world needs to hear this.
We need to continue the conversation.
This discourse.
There's still things to say.
It makes me irrationally mad when I see the memes sometimes. And I'm like, we need to do better. There's funnier content than this. Why? I don't know.
Reddit, come on. Reddit, do better.
Thinking of buying a relic, but I don't think I will.
Wow. Real conservative man over here.
Yes. I voted Republican for 10 years.
Shut up.
That's not true. No, it's a lie. No one believes it. I'm not. That's not who I am. You can look me up. Look up my voting records.
Look at my voting history. I promise.
It's all Democratic. Oh, I felt dirty saying that.
Bro.
Bro.
Okay. Here we go. We're gonna do that. Easy does it. Got those.
He's getting strangled.
This guy will never breathe again.
See, if I had that serpent form.
Ho ho ho. Yeah. Alright, I have gang up.
17.
Please tell me.
I don't have not this turn. I don't have crazy deck cards.
Okay, I do have a bunch of blocks, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Can block most of it.
I will wait with gang up.
Yeah, next turn will hopefully be a lot better. It is.
Nice.
Okay. He's stunned after we break his shield, right?
Yes, sir. It's time to go all out.
Alright.
All out. Got him.
Got him.
Okay.
Sweet. I have Strangle. Probably, yeah, just go for kill this turn. Yep.
Yeah. Got him. Useful laddie.
Mal's gift. Gain 1 ritual. Okay, this is actually best case for me. So
This is
I'm gonna
good, this is
be
good.
playing attack cards.
Alright, everyone, calm down.
Chill out.
The man is here.
It's happening.
Everybody, shut
Everybody
up!
calm down.
26.
Nice.
Nurse. Horse. Alright, I have gang up.
Oh, this is insane then. Okay.
Show me.
Oh my gosh, these 52.
It's too
Sir.
much. He's too good.
All right, buddy.
Nice.
This fight is weird in multiplayer because it's a shared block and a hit him and get your energy back. But like one guy could run out of energy just trying to get through the block, and then the other gets energy.
I think
It's
this guy's weird because he's not a bug.
I think he should be a bug
Yeah, everybody else is a bug.
in this act. Yeah, why is
Decimilipede.
there one of the weird angel shaped things here?
Yeah,
The
he's like
impressive
a
prism.
yeah, he's like a
an
weirdly
automaton
biblically
thing.
accurate angel situation.
Like
You know.
angel / automaton situation. He does.
Woo.
Oh, potion belt.
Ooh, I got prepared. Oh, but I need bubble. But prepared is the way to go. Part of me. Part of me wants this. But
The elite.
the responsible part of me, the angel on my shoulder, says I have 382 gold.
Yeah, and I have 318, but part of me does like this elite rest.
Yeah, we can always spend our gold later.
At 4 or 3, yeah.
Yeah,
If
and
you're
at
okay
4.
with that, I think I'd prefer this one. At 5, you think?
There ought to be. It's
no.
him. Oh,
Okay.
now's your
Oh,
chance.
thank you, auto play. Yeah. Well, I think I still do what I do and hope the fight ends soon.
True.
Because in order for me to be useful, I just have to do this. Okay. Suppress.
I do
Oh,
have
man.
Swift Potion if that eases your weary mind.
Do you have the gang up?
Nope. Not this turn.
Then I'm not gonna play anything else.
Yeah,
I'll-
just hold on to him.
Yeah.
What a loser. What a big loser. Nice.
Man.
Done. Useful, lad. Useful.
Chipping away, chipping away, chipping away now.
Okay. I can do this. I can do that. Right now, I'm just getting Sly onto all of my skills so that next round in combat, I can use my discards to play a bunch of cards without having to actually spend the cost. Okay.
I'm gonna play a calculated gamble. I have a dead hand.
Okay. And if
Okay,
you need
it's a lot better.
Swift, I have Swift Potion.
I'm okay this turn. I drew into block card. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. I have full block. I have a Heart of Iron if you need it for block.
How much is that? 7?
7.
Yeah, that might be good.
Okay.
Yee. Thank you.
Yeah, that's better. You're welcome, my friend.
I got
See, you
gang up.
said I gotta look out for you earlier, and I'm looking out for you.
That's right.
Then I will play all my deck cards because I do no block. So here we go. Oh my god, sorry, the freaking animation. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That is 47.
That's everything I had that turn.
How about you're out of energy too, right?
I'm out of energy.
Okay.
Is 19 damage worth drinking an intangible potion?
Oh my gosh. Do I proc strangle as well?
Oh, it is. That's crazy.
What?
It's shared.
Since when?
What?
That's crazy. I did not know that.
I didn't even notice.
Okay.
What's after this? It's rest. Rest, fight, fight, rest. Wow, we're getting closer than I thought we would.
We're close.
Huh. So I could either drink an Orbic Acid and get a free attack skill and power, or I could drink my Ghost in the Jar and take no damage, or 1 damage, I guess.
Oh, I would take the 1 damage for sure. Saving 18 health? My gosh.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's a lot. Oh, and I got perfect block because of you.
Oh, nice. And we get a kill this turn.
All right. Ooh, I got acrobatics.
Woo!
Oh, it's so good.
Not really any lost doing that.
Well, I got 2 more baddies before the incident.
The pre-incident.
We're gonna do this.
Precedent?
The precedent. We live in unprecedented spires.
These guys suck when they fill your
These
deck
guys
with all their statuses.
really flippin' suck. I do not like who Sam I am. All right. I do have a bunch of discard though. All right, gang up's here. Not this turn.
Need to remove cards.
That
I have
is...
25 in my deck right now.
I have 23.
I can do 1 more attack if that gets you close to the kill.
Yeah, I've got 12 right now on him. I could do way more. Oh, that's it. Chill, bro.
Oh, the tracking, I forgot.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm doing quad damage at times.
My gosh.
Huh. You notice how in this fight it stretches the screen out and we're smaller?
We are
we're
smaller.
littler.
Why are we so small?
I think it's because it made room for the ads that go in front of it, and it stretched the screen. I just kind of realized that.
Oh, okay.
It's like we're little.
We're just tiny dudes. Fair enough.
Yeah,
Nice.
and
And I just got it.
I proc your Gremlinhorn. Or I guess it's a kill in the map, but that's cool.
This world.
Interesting
Now,
interactions.
Why did gang up reset to 0?
Oh, what's the wording? Yeah, it shouldn't have. Each time another player has attacked the enemy.
The enemy this turn. Oh.
Wow, it is the one enemy.
How fascinating. How did I miss that? Okay.
I didn't realize that either.
Little baby.
He resummons.
How much you got on there? 26? Not bad. Tingsha. Yeah, let's finish him off. I got gang up.
I don't have any more attacks for you, but I have. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, jeez. I lost count.
Oh no.
Right. I'm gonna use it. Don't worry. I got it.
Yeah, okay.
My bad.
Yeah.
Now I could take a malaise, which I know is good for you, because you have the.
I have the weak.
Yeah, the tracking. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm healing.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, Regal Pillow.
I also have Gigantification Potion. We can
How have you caught up to me in health? Did you get a health relic?
I must have. Oh, whenever you gain gold, raise your max HP by 1.
Ah, Oh, John, if you had the cheese, man, it'd be double.
Oh man,
I'm like,
you'd be so yoked.
your gains! Your gains! Okay,
Gotta
I'm
think
drinking the
about the
ritual
gains.
pop. Just gonna
It's
scale
a
that
good
up
idea.
now. Sometimes I have those.
Nah, it's not.
Oh, hey. Shots fired.
Shots
Well,
fired.
you're ugly.
Chill.
I didn't even mean it. I'm sorry.
Okay. So here's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
We are gonna do this.
Uh huh.
We're gonna do that. And
Gotcha.
this. Are you taking notes?
Can you repeat the last one?
So we're doing this,
Uh huh. Thank you.
and then also that.
Oh, I didn't see that one coming.
2 more.
Oh, double it. Okay.
And that's
And
the end of my
then-
story. That's it. That's all of it.
Cool. I got burst shadow step for next turn. Yep, it does set up the timer for another turn. Nice.
Fantastic.
And I have tracking, so this turn I'm hopefully gonna draw into
Should be
damage.
a big turn.
It's not as big as I want, but it's all right. That's all.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna play this. Which plays
I have
this?
flanking, so anything you attack with will be double this turn.
I've got gang up, so.
I just have the one attack, unfortunately. I drew block, frantic escape.
Arr.
It will double what you have.
Oh well. I could do 48 damage if I gigantification potion to myself. Dang.
I think we could do better.
We could do
With
better.
like a better, yeah, it would just be with like a better shift turn.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I got suppress, so that'll help us with the damage. I'm a little nervous on my frantic escape counter. I'm at 2. I'm gonna calculate a gamble and just hopefully draw into some. All right, there we go. Uh huh. Yep. Cool. Next turn's a good turn.
Okay. Next turn for sure. I've got 2 turns.
Same. Yeah, this is a good one.
I drew 3 frantic escapes.
Oh, yeah, he's dead.
Oh.
The ×4 throws me off every time.
Okay. Source of the trade seems good. Yeah, I think so, but. Ooh, choose 3 cards in your deck, enchant them with Swift.
I have that one too.
My favorite.
I do need draw power, low-key. I think that's it.
Of
Yeah.
the silent when I play shivs.
Do you think the interaction of bullet time with this would be bullet time blocks the draw first and you wouldn't get the draw?
Yeah, probably.
That's how I think it would be
I would
too.
operate under that assumption, yeah.
That'd be fun if it didn't, but I don't think it would.
Be cool if it. Yeah. Oh, you're thinking of putting it on bullet time?
Yeah, I'm taking Swift, so I was like, oh, if that proc before bullet time, that's really good.
Truly the anti-synergy of all time.
I know, it'd be kind of.
It would be cool if it wasn't, but I'm assuming.
I feel like 95% it is that way.
The thing I don't like about fights or question marks in Act 3 is that they oftentimes force me to put a curse in my deck.
Yeah, that's
and I
true.
hate that. So
I don't like that.
I want to keep my deck pared down.
Let's fight.
And also I get more HP from fights because of gold. So.
Oh yeah. And I mean, yeah, I have the cheese. The fights are good.
The chosen cheese?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
They chose me.
The cheese chose
They
me.
didn't choose you.
No. That would be a mistake.
Oh. Well, gotta give yourself a chance. How you gonna know?
Nah, babe. I couldn't do it. She's not into me.
I don't know. I feel like maybe there's some signals there. I do have flanking. I don't have any more attack cards.
I have 1 strike, and I guess I have a hidden daggers.
I mean, it's free. It's free for me to play, so I guess I'll just play it.
Oh, okay.
On the front one.
Sure. Yeah. I'll do this. I'll do that. Okay,
Your piercing whale is so good against this fight because normally we're blocking for like 25, 26 on turn 1. If you don't, you lose max HP, and that just cut that down.
True.
But I am getting beat the heck up this turn. This sucks.
Hold tight.
Guess I'll go for the kill in the front one. Oh yeah, then you get energy.
I did just get energy, yeah, thank you for that.
I can block half of this, but I'm gonna lose 2 max HP. Or 4, it's 2 per bite. Oh. No! My health lead!
Well, I'm still taking a hit here, so.
Are you?
Okay. So what I'm gonna do.
Do you have any way to put weak on this turn?
Yes.
Sweet. Okay, we probably kill this turn. Have quad damage on him.
Quad. Oh. It's just not even fair.
I do need a block though, so I think I need your help to finish him.
Okay. So, how about I do this?
I have a fire potion if we can get him down to 20.
Okay. Nope. Alright. That's the best I can do. It's 30.
That's right. I might as well play this calculated gamble. Maybe I'll drop my neutralize thing. Nope. Okay.
No.
Goodbye, sir.
Yeah. Get him.
I don't have any more, but he dies. Ooh, a footwork.
Haze. My poison. My poison just got a lot stronger.
I love poison here. Strangled.
Gotta strangle this fool. Caw.
Oh. To you too, brother.
Salutations, brother.
The Damage. Nauseous fumes.
Nice. Ooh. Okay.
Strangle him. Nice.
Got him.
Knife trap.
Oh, he got it. Okay.
Okay. Strangle.
There's that. There, I've come online.
You finally got your DSL to connect?
After all these years.
You finally here, buddy.
Century.
The 20th century, dog. Dude, that's old tech.
Yeah, you got me there.
That means we're old. Oh.
Shh, it's fine. Oh. Okay. I'm not loving these cards that they offer me.
And we fight. That's all we know. Strangle.
This day we fight.
Dad.
Dad.
It is a red day.
A sword day.
Such a good monologue.
It's a good line.
Tolkien. They don't make them like they used to. When I finally read Lord of the Rings, I was really surprised, but also not surprised to learn that a lot of the lines from the film that are so good are just one-to-one from the book.
He's good, man.
I was like, oh, wow. The film didn't change a single thing from that. It's
no
like
notes,
verbatim.
it was just there.
Yeah. Like, the only thing I really noticed was the situation was different. Like, the line didn't always apply to the scene from the films, but,
Sure.
you know, taken from the book.
Yeah, Theoden King, he's sure, in the book, he's very, like, intense. He's just, like, constantly like, oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know how else to describe it. He's just like, oh. He's a talker,
Yeah.
man.
And I think the film adapted Aragorn. You know, in the books, he's like, yes, I will become the king. I am ready. I am the last of my line.
It's like,
I will
everybody, look at my
redeem
sword.
blood."
Look at this sword. It broke.
He
It
had
broke.
the
Isn't
sword
that
already.
cool? Isn't it
He
cool?
was like, yeah, he showed it off to everyone. Yeah, but in the films, for a movie media, it works a lot better to have the reluctant king
reluctant
who
hero,
sees
yeah.
the sins of his past and needs to reconcile that.
That's right.
But yeah, in the books, he's already reconciled it.
A truly tortured soul.
Yeah.
You cannot wield it.
You cannot. It has been reforged.
It has been.
I will suppress the front one.
Suppress him, Justin.
There's a lot of thoughts that come to mind that I'm not gonna say.
Thank you.
Shadow Stoop.
Yeah, and then there's long, long passages about rocks.
Yes, and the age of the earth.
You know,
and
Gandalf just died, and they're out the other side of Moria, and Gimli's like, "Oh, let's take a look at these rocks. These rocks right here, very important to my clan." And everybody else is like, "No, Gimli, we gotta move these." He's like, "No, wait, no, we have to do this. We have to look at these rocks.
The only way."
There's rocks here, and I think you'll like them. There's some pretty cool rocks too. They're really cool. They've got like writings on them or whatever."
And he couldn't even read the writing on his own dwarven door.
Embarrassing. Cringe.
Yep. Well, yeah, and like Frodo waits years to leave the Shire.
Yeah. He waits until he's like 50.
Yeah, like it's like decades.
Like, babe, Gandalf told you to do this a long time.
The evil one is getting stronger. What are you doing?
I'm gonna have tea. Frodo?
Like right? Like if Frodo had left sooner, those armies of the Ivory Tower wouldn't have been there, or the White Tower.
Yeah, but you know, things would have gone a little differently. Let's just leave it at that.
Armchair warrior over here.
Yeah, exactly.
No, Lord of the Rings is perfect. It's my favorite fantasy thing ever.
And I say these things because I love it.
Yeah, because we love it. I
Right.
rewatch the extended edition every year.
Every year, man. It's a tradition.
It is.
Tradition. Tradition.
This is tradition. We
Wow.
can't change our ways. By the way, I have plus 12 dexterity from a doubled up. What is it called? Play all your shiz in your exhaust knife trap.
Knife trap.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, and accuracy. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, nice, dude. I think I'm gonna get a poison stab now.
You gonna stab him with poison? I
I'm
don't know how
gonna
that
do
works.
it.
It's like if you have poison, why just have them ingest it?
You could just ingest your poison.
Yeah, man.
This turn might be a little dodgy, or this combat.
Yeah, because I don't have AoE.
Yeah, you do.
From what?
Fan of knives.
Well, eventually, sure.
Well, I mean, if we're looking at the future, I mean, yeah. But like...
Wait, I don't have Fan of Knives. I don't have that card.
What? I thought you did.
No.
Oh, I thought you said you did.
I have Night
Okay.
Trap. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Man, if you had Fan of Knives, it would be great.
I know. I was like, what do I have? What do I have?
I thought you had it. Oh, boy.
Oh,
Egg on my face. Egg all over my clothes.
Oh,
Dishonor
man.
on you. Dishonor on your cow.
I want to play Phantom Blades, but I don't want to take 6 damage. I gotta play Phantom Blades.
Let's see. Let's discard a card here.
Oh my lord. This would be a great turn for bullet time.
Nor
If I had it!
if I had one.
What do I not want to exhaust is the question. My Knife Trap. But I have to use 2 energy to play it. Man, this sucks.
It's gonna be a bad turn.
Really bad turn.
Bad turn of events.
Yikes.
Ouch.
Oh, dude.
Upgrades on
Magi
the
Knight's
wall.
gonna mess us up in like 3 turns. That guy hits for a truck. Okay. I'm gonna put flanking on the middle guy, so double damage from your attacks.
Okay.
Okay, that's all I have for this turn.
This might need to be it. 18. Oh boy.
Have the fire pop.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Mine gets us there though.
Oh, the teamwork. Bro, we did it. We did.
There's only 2
Justin,
left.
We did it. We did it, Justin. We
won.
We won. We won.
Why? Hey, why are they still here? Why?
I thought we won.
Why are they
I thought
here?
we did everything we had to do.
Well,
Oh, there's more.
I'm okay. Shadow stepping for next turn. Oh no! I miscalculated.
Justin. Justin.
Go on without me.
You're gonna be fine. I can feel it.
Huh. Well, we found our weakness. It's more than 2 bad guys.
More than 2 of them at once.
Also, this fight is just generally hard, I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like that's true.
Each one has, like, okay, the front guy will just beat the crap out of you if you let the other 2 die, and then he scales up with his attack pattern afterwards. The middle one makes all your cards exhaust, and the back one, on this turn, hits for like 35, and gets rid of your upgrades.
Speaking
It's like you
of
can't
35,
win. Yeah. Like, I have it memorized because it traumatized me the first time. I was like, what is he doing?
he can't do that. Shoot her or something.
I have killed.
You do? You brave, brave man. Look at this.
Is it 1 off? Okay, please finish it. Sorry.
You're good, buddy.
No, I lied. My honor.
My honor. I must commit seppuku.
I miscalculated. I can never recover from this.
He did.
Get out of here, Fail Knight.
Fail night?
It's not what I tried to say, but that's really good.
Get out. Get out of here, fail night. You're not a flail knight. You're a fail knight. We're gonna bully him to death.
Make him feel bad about himself.
Well, the
So that's
Forgotten
useless.
Soul's still gonna do some AoE.
That's gonna
for
do
you.
way better because my card will exhaust.
I could put it on my malaise.
Oh yeah,
And I don't want to hear
that's pretty strong.
a thing about it.
Oh, it's pin nib. GG.
I got reflex. I got reflex. It's time. Strikes and defends. Gain ethereal. Oh. Yes. Yes. Okay. Ah. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I need anything else.
Alright, to the elite. Ugh. This guy has ruined so many runs for me. Ooh.
He's down to 3 artifact. And that's a fact. An artifact fact.
Thank you for that.
It's a rock fact.
It's a rock fact. Okay, we broke through his
artifact.
His artifact. Thank you. Jeez, I completely.
You said it 10 times.
You did. You did. You made the joke several times, and my brain was like, "I'm not gonna say the word."
He is like, "I'm over this. This
I'm
guy's
not
so
gonna do
annoying."
it. You can't make me do it. I can do 26. I suppose that's fine.
It is a number bigger than 0.
0. What a beautiful concept.
Yeah.
It really makes you think, you know? About 0. Okay. Jeez, I only have 5 block. What happened to me? I'm washed, bro.
All good.
Everybody relax.
Oh, I goofed.
What did you goof?
I played Shadow Step before I played my other cards.
Justin, you know that's illegal.
I know. They're coming after me.
Well, if it makes you feel any better. I did not do that.
That helps. Our shared bond of having a separate experience made it easier.
Yeah. Let's do this. And do that. And I'm gonna take 1 damage after all that.
It burns, brother.
The burns. The burns. The cards. The cards. The
Such a stupid
cards will tell.
hand. Okay, I'm throwing a vulnerable potion.
Okay.
And I'm playing a lot of shiz.
Ooh, I've got gang up, so that's great.
That's it. I'm then. Okay, what are you at now? That's all I have.
I've got 60.
I can do an attack potion.
Ooh, it's too good.
Thank God.
Get rid of that idiot. Blast off into space, you jerk. Bag of prep. I love a bag
I
of
got
prep.
a Stonecracker. Upgrade some cards in my hand. The boss fight.
It's time for the W. Doorman.
Knock knock.
Or clop clop. Okay, here we go. Gonna do that.
Mostly just setting up this turn.
Yeah, turn 1 tends to be that way for me. Okay, well, I'm definitely doing that, and I'm getting rid of a bunch of... Oh, that feels so good. I just got rid of 5 cards.
Nice.
Oh,
what a hand for bullet time.
What?
Opposite thing for me. I said what a good hand for bullet time.
Oh, good hand for you? Good.
Yeah. Oh man. Ah, okay.
Whoa.
It's like a Gatling,
like
like a minigun.
chicken,
Yeah. Bunch of chip damage over and over and over.
I bottom decked my most important part of the deck. Okay, all my strikes and defense are just about gone.
Okay. Strangle.
Oh, we got him. Okay, I'm gonna play that. Nice. Okay.
What are you still doing here?
I thought I killed you yesterday.
Well, it doesn't matter what my health is as long as I'm alive.
Oh man, pretty good.
Yeah, it's just.
I do have gang up. Let's see, let's do this.
30, and he's retreating like a coward.
Like a coward. Like a coward in his own domicile. Yeah, I took a full thing because I totally dudded.
Yeah,
Let's
I have
see.
a fortifier pot if you need triple block.
Okay. Good to know.
Oh wow, this man. Do you have a way to apply weak?
Ooh, let me keep drawing here. I do. There we go.
Thank you. Because you just doubled my shiv to 136.
Woohoo! You're welcome.
I think that's a PB on shiv damage, dude. For me, 136. I know it's hitting it, but dang,
Dang.
can't touch this.
Nah. I would never dream of touching this.
I can almost. I mean, you gotta have a little bit of hope that maybe you could. Oh no! I don't even have that. I know my place.
I know my place. I know what I would never do. Let me tell you one thing that I would never do.
Have a dream about that. No, sir.
No. Never in my wildest dreams. Okay, what am I pulling next turn? Not bad, but I can do better. Okay, he's back.
Welcome back now, y'all.
Got that. Ooh, I can do this. Okay. Oh, and I can only do 7, huh?
I mean, you just did like 100 damage.
There it is. What? You again? You little punk.
Ooh. That'd be a GG in this turn, man.
You think so? The good kind or the bad kind?
Oh, the good kind. Like, we win.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have gang up?
Gang up?
Yeah.
What about it?
Do you have
Oh,
it?
yes, I have it.
Yeah, I think we win.
Okay. Shobi.
Okay. And then it's...
I sure hope you're right, because I only have 1 energy left, and...
No, that's good.
Okay, alright.
I'm just trying to maximize it. I don't think it matters. I think I might kill it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second.
No, like, yeah, the kill was there. I was like, okay, I just want to get every drop out of that.
Very
GG.
nice. Nice one, dude. Yeah,
Yeah, that deck was strong.
It took me a minute to ramp. Like, it took me a couple
You
more
were
turns than
that
I'm used
discard
to.
stuff you were doing was sick.
Yeah, by the end
watching
there,
all
it was
that.
like, I played 1 energy and managed to, it's like a thing of dominoes. Like, it fell over, like, oh, this card has slide, this card has slide, this card has slide. And so
Yeah, it just keeps adding on to
keeps
itself. I love
going,
that.
yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, satisfying.
Very satisfying, man.
Love to see it.